Okay, bye Hanas. Here's the deal. A couple of weeks ago, I released a vlog called Probably the Worst Daily Vlog Ever. In case the title doesn't tell it for you, that vlog effing sucked. And I was thinking like, is this really the best I can do? Really, Issa? Well, apparently, yes. I can do better and I will do better. I'm not going to promise that this video is going to be the best daily vlog or weekly vlog, but it's definitely going to be an improvement from the last one. It is 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm all made up and did because I have a photo shoot today. This week is technically going to be a very busy week. I decided why not make a decent video vlog. And so by Hanas, this is me trying. So this is what goes inside my bags every time I go to a photo shoot, or at least for this photo shoot. Today I'm shooting with Hello Bench Creations, and she is one of the very first photographers that I've worked with in the past. They said that they wanted it to be colorful and bright. It sounds really annoying to admit that we're doing this photo shoot so that I can have pictures for my Instagram, but you know what? This is where my life has taken me right now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm down for the ride. I'm actually enjoying this. So I have a bunch of colorful clothes right now. Let me show you. We have sweaters. We have tops of assorted colors. We have this dress that is a bitch to put on. It's not really a lot of pants because I don't think we're gonna be really shooting pants today. Lots and lots of accessories. And we have the perfect buyet bag. This is from Anything Under the Sun, Davao. That's basically it. Bye.
Hi! Hi! Bukat sa ba na?
Don't worry, I'm the lesbian in this.
Hi! This is Hannah. And this is Ben.
Right now, we're at the Hello Beans. We're at the Hello Beans studio. It's
Hello!
What's naman yung theme ani band? We're like pop
Mura,
of color.
colorful something. It's for me, I would call it Hello Beans theme.
Oh, see, diba?
Guys,
Hello
don't
Beans.
look at me!
I don't think there's like an exact term for it, but you'll know that it's the signature Hello Beans nga aesthetic when you see it. So that's why you guys should follow them and should watch out for the aesthetic because it's such a signature look, and I'm so excited for it, honestly. We're gonna go chill and then prepare and have lunch first, and then we'll get back to you. See ya, guys.
Ang gold po. Ni kanang ni Shine siya.
Oh, that looks nice. Mo din gamit na di.
Actually, aliha gani na ang clam. Ay, na.
Okay. Nindot kay ka girl. Importante kay ka girl.
So much.
Creative director and prop.
And balloon placer.
Diba? We just finished the photo shoot and now we are all packed up and ready to go home. So if you want to check out the pictures, you can follow me on my socials. It's Issaplease, and of course make sure that you're following Hello Bean Studios on Instagram. Good morning, Bayhanas. It is a Tuesday and today I'm headed to the studio so that I can shoot another round for DTI's Buy Local by Bisaya. My very first daily vlog. Remember the one that sucked? It was a week ago from now. And I did attempt to vlog that, but I realized that I did such a sucky job at it. I didn't really introduce the team to you, what everything looks like behind the scenes. So I'm gonna show you that. I have a buttload of meetings today, so God bless me. I believe I have 3 meetings in between all of this today. And then we're also not releasing by Hannah anymore until April. Doing a little bit of rebranding for the assets of my Hannah. So that means I get to take a break from uploading. But that doesn't mean I take a break from recording. So I'm still recording, I'm still shooting and all that stuff, but I'm just not releasing them until April. So I'll see you guys at the studio. My grab is here. Yay! Hey, boy Hannah. So I'm currently at the studio. Say hello to PJ.
Ay! Wait, Chaka, wala ko nagka.
PJ is actually the wonderful human being that approves my Bayhana videos. Without PJ's approval, it cannot go live.
Ano yan, Adrian? Ako bully.
Ano man? Hi there!
Sige, storya dira.
Ano man?
Pag hinawag ba?
Dili ko eh.
So I promised you guys that I would give you a proper tour.
So here it is. So for our live segment, Gio is behind the camera. And this is the main cam. So you will see me there. And then we have the second camera, which is for the product shot. And all of that is actually wired to this beautiful machine. And then you just press like which camera ang makitaan.
Yes, sir.
Here. So you're using OBS Studio Data.
Of course.
And then we have our TV here, and this is where my script goes. And Mikay is there, and she's one that directs me and tells me what to do. So it's actually like a whole production, guys. Actually, my job is pretty kapoy sa channel. But to be honest, their jobs are a lot more intense than mine because Gio's over there handling 2 cameras. He's making sure that they get all the visuals. Flo's over there taking care of all like the audios, taking care of the socials, seeing that everything you see is perfect. Mikay's over there like running back and forth, checking the comments, telling me what to do. So their jobs are actually like a lot more intense than mine is. And that's why we love you so much.
Hello.
These are the products that we're featuring today. Right now they are doing technical setups and I'm going to show you what they're doing. So it's currently 12:51 and the show starts at 2, but we're already setting everything up right now. So I want to show you what they're doing. So there's one mic here and there's a second mic there. And that allows me to just speak freely and not have to really use so much of my voice because I'm talking for an hour straight and I can use the deeper tone. We have a couple soft boxes right here. We have our hair light or our backlight. We have 2 of those. But there aren't any shadows this way because I have all the lights on. We have 4 lights on me. And we have the 2 cameras that I was talking about earlier. So what we're doing basically, it's a live selling segment. So I show everyone who's watching the DTI live the products that are up for sale. These are all locally made. And then I direct them to the buyotop.ph website, which is handled by DTI. So mga bay, as you can see, this beautiful handcrafted product can be yours. So, what's up, Bayhanas? I'm done. It's a wrap. I'm done with my segments for DTI. Are you okay with my work? Do you like working with me, Gio?
Yes.
Huh? Oksa ko, Mikay.
Yes, very good.
Imo ba kung kwaon bali? So that was it by Hannah's. I am done. And I'm gonna have my pictures taken for my OOTD and then I'm done. I have a meeting at 3:30 with DJ. Should I stay here until 3:30 or should I just go home? I need to poop.
Para mas comfy ka.
Do you think I should be here?
Pwede naman tingalog dito. If kalibang mong shoot ka.
Kung malibang ba ko or dili. Pero di pa ako sure if kalibangon ko. Ako ba siya gi-feel?
Pero pwede na siya here, yeah.
I'll just go home so I can poop. So I just finished my meeting. I got a 30-minute break, so I got to feed Cody and I got to eat some oranges and I got to drink some water. And now I'm in the middle of a Shopee grand launch for the affiliates. Now there's like a whole event happening and it's starting, so I gotta go. Go finish your food. Finish it. Finish it, Codes. Good job. Sometimes Cody just needs some encouragement. I'm in a meeting. So it's my 3rd day of vlogging, Pao. My hectic week, and so far I've done pretty well. Hey, bye, Hannah. So my meeting is finally done. Actually, it wasn't a meeting. It was really a tech run. And there is a big possibility that Moira was in that group chat or in that technical run. So the event happening on Friday, it's actually like, I am the jester meeting everyone for the media run. I'm meeting the media, and then next is there's a separate room for a webinar. I made lunch today. I cooked some tocino, which is like my fave, and then we use the Virginia tocino because it's super yummy. And then we're also using the sunflower oil. Like, they sent us a bunch of sunflower oil. I'm super happy about that. Today's not super duper busy. Anyways, yeah, that's it. We're gonna have lunch. See you guys in a little bit. Hey, bye, Hannah. So I'm currently, Paulo and I had to drop by one of the internet cafes that we own. We just had to check up on it, and so we decided to drop by this place called... It's called Southside Flaming Burger, and we know about this place because we drive by here all the time and then we see it, so we're like, oh, we should try it out. And it's finally open, and our fans tried it out and they liked it, so we're like, we should try it out too. It's a walking distance from the building where the internet cafe is, and then I'm just here waiting for him. It's 4:30. Wow, it's 4:30 and it's super hot in Cebu today, so abot lang kung ginitan mo, pero ako ginitan siya kung maayo. So it's just nice to be out and like to eat out. And it's nice because it's like a new business. Who it is? It's the handsomest boy in the whole wide world, walking like he's mad at something. So guys, we just got home and we were so hungry that we forgot to take videos. I ate in the car. Another thing that we did today was we dropped by Family Mart. This is not sponsored. I am just obsessed with Family Mart. I've decided to put you on top of my collagen, and I want to show you what I got from Family Mart because what I'm about to show you will change your life forever. The first product that I got is a ramen kit in chicken flavor, and this costs $399 for 2 servings. And I absolutely love this. I usually crave for this in the middle of the night, and unfortunately, Family Mart here is no longer 24/7. So every time I crave for it at night, ako mahimo. So I just decided to buy it, and I just want it at home because I na mig Family Mart. And then I got Coke. Got some soda, which I'm not really supposed to have, but I bought anyways. I got some beef yakiniku, and I got some tuna mayu. I have ramen in my life in the freezer, so when I crave for it in the middle of the night, I can open it and thaw it and put water, hot water, and boil it, and then have some ramen in my life. Oh. Good morning, bye Hannah. I'm meeting my plants because super busy. I wasn't really able to super give my plants the love and attention that they deserve. Well, they're not dead yet. I spent like the last 10 minutes trying to address the needs of my plants. Ooh, I just noticed this. Hi, baby. I actually got this one from my mother-in-law. It's been doing really well. Like, I just got this one and I was like, damn, I didn't know it could do that. So that was pretty cool. Common name is mother-in-law's tongue because it's poisonous, and if you bite into it, you lose your voice. Like, goddamn, why you gotta hate on your mother-in-law so much, man? The person who named this, the fuck? I have this Angel's Tears or Angel something. Honestly, this one used to look really freaking pretty. I transferred it to the bottom, and then like, you know, like it just hasn't been doing as well, and this is one of my favorite ones, so I'm kind of bummed out about it. So I'm trying to rehabilitate it, but like as you can see, the new growth is so pretty. It's just the ones at the ends. Yeah, this is my Heart of Jesus plant, and it's in my boob pot, which I got from boobs.cebu. And oh my god, this is so difficult to take care of. Like, this is actually like completely died on me, and then it rose back from the dead. It's 6 o'clock and I have an interview for a podcast called The Upside, and what do you know, I'm late. I honestly blame Are You the One for this. I'm gonna jump in my meeting right now, put down my hair, and then let's just do it. I'm nervous. Hi. Hi, everyone. To shoot the video. Hey, bye, Hannah. So we're done with the interview, and it's dinner time. Look at this. Paulo made me this amazing ramen from Family Mart. Paulo added some Japanese bacon, and it's so good. The interview was a lot of fun. If you guys want to check it out, it's The Huge Upside. I actually don't know these guys, Pao. They found me on Instagram and then they messaged me. I know they're from Cagayan de Oro, and then one is in UAE. It's for a podcast. And they'll you wanna play COD tonight, my love?
Yeah, you need to update.
Okay. Like, I should be working, but it's a holiday.
Holiday. Chinese New Year.
You didn't know it's a holiday today?
Chinese New Year.
No.
Okay.
It's a People Power Revolution holiday anniversary.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey Bayhanas, good morning. So I think today is the last day of this vlog because I don't want to do it anymore. I have a hosting gig with Royal Canon. I'm just cooking lunch in advance because why not? After I'm done cooking, I can then move on to my makeup and then not have to worry about food anymore and not being able to eat. And I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. I was like, what the hell? What am I doing at 5 in the morning? So I really forced myself to sleep again. But I also had this beautiful dream that my manager was messaging me very early in the morning, telling me, hey Issa, you want this gig, you want this? And I was like, oh my god, bring in the bucks. So today I have the event and then I just have to edit for the rest of the day. So it's not gonna be super fun or hectic for the rest of the day. I don't know how much I'll show up today, but I just wanted to pop in and say thanks for watching this entire weekly vlog. I survived, and 2 more. See you guys soon. It's a very hectic week. Please, if you've never tried this, you must try the Virginia luncheon meat because it's my fave. So yeah, that's it. See you guys. It's so hot. Hey everyone, so I'm currently already on standby. It's 12:30. I go on at around 1:45 or something like that. But I'm already in the lobby. So Moira is really gonna be on this thing, but we're gonna be in separate rooms. So I'm gonna be practicing a little bit because I'm getting nervous. Everyone's so quiet in the room. So let's practice. So this is what it looks like. I have my tab here for the theme, and then we have this room, which is my script. So there were no changes to this, at least I hope. Good afternoon to our lovely friends of the media. Welcome to the Royal Beginnings Kickstarting Your Puppy's Best Life. I'm Isa Perez Gandyonko and I'll be here to keep you company while we wait for our other media friends to join us in the call. Time check, we have about 20 minutes before the puppy webinar starts. But before anything else, if you have any questions, please do feel free to type them in the chat box on your right, and the representatives from Royal Canon will gladly assist and answer your queries. Stress go. Okay, so I am done with the event, and you know, if you think that talking in a camera straight for 20 minutes in front of media from Manila isn't stressful, I'd love to see anyone do it. In a way that's not stressful, because it is so stressful for me. I honestly was so nervous. I was fumbling on words and everything. I don't know if I'll ever get to see footage of that, but god damn, I was really like so freaking stressed. But I'm done, and I'm happy that I'm done, and I get to enjoy the event now. I don't necessarily have to watch it, but I still want to anyway, so I'm gonna go check it out. See you guys later. This is the end of the weekly vlog, finally! We have our friend here, Eduardo, who you should know if you've been a fan of the Bayhana vlogs, personal vlogs. So we are on our way to Tajimaya to celebrate the end of this week. I'm done with all my events. I just have to edit videos, and we won Valorant. Valorant! So muna siya, guys. We're gonna go celebrate the end of the week, and we're gonna eat at my favorite restaurant, Tajimaya! Tajimaya! I hope you guys like this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and hit that notification bell so that you're updated every time I update. Joke bitaw. Say bye to the vlog! Bye! See you next week! Bye!